on, Daisy. It's fine. Be cheerful.
Give me your answer, please come home. I'm awake again, it's fun. For the love of you, but what is the stars is marriage? They're making fun of you. For the carriage, will you look right to me, lady? Not someone as like you do. I hate you. I hate you.
Beatrice! Beatrice! Ah! Get away from her!
Mr. DeMalco, it's said that you would have been Daisy's next victim. Do you agree with that?